cooking today? Easy and yummy oyster, chive and egg stir fry. So today I want to have something simple, and I bought some chive and I have some frozen oyster in the freezer, and I have a lot of eggs. So I defrosted my oyster and cook it with chive and egg less than 10 minutes, and it's very yummy. So let's start. My oyster, chive and egg stir fry. Very yummy, easy and fast free. Hope you like this recipe and give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day. Thank you, bye bye.